Hello! Say hi!
Hi!
Welcome to KV Show!
Show.
Now what are we going to do today?
Pick up package.
What?
Pick up package.
Pick up the package? What kind of package? It's a surprise? You don't know what is it? Okay, so see you later! Okay. What do you think is inside the box?
I don't know.
Make a guess. What do you think? What is it?
I can see a towel.
What is that?
It's a towel.
What kind?
It's a Jeep towel.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
A Jeep? Well, get something out of the box. Let's look at it. Get anything out. Let's look.
Okay, Cruz, what's the first thing you need to do?
Put this right here.
What is that?
It's a spring.
The axle?
It's the axle. Help.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad, I need some screws. It's a little cookie. It's a little cookie, Mama.
Is it?
See?
Okay. Put the other one.
This one?
Yep.
It's joining the hole. I'm stuck on the hole.
Now what's next, Cruz?
The wheels
What's that? The back? For the back or?
back and front.
And then,
Well,
now get the back wheel.
the back wheel
You're right there.
inside, outside.
Yep.
Yep, it's in there.
You
Okay.
sure?
Wrong way.
That's good.
Yep. Okay, next. The front wheel. Where's the front wheel?
This one.
Okay. Come here.
Outside, inside.
Okay. Next.
You take your 4 washers, go put one on each wheel, okay?
Okay.
And go around that side and put one on each wheel.
1.
Okay.
And I've got the pen.
Okay. I just found the pen.
Okay, you try it.
Put all the washers on first, and I'm gonna give you the pen.
There's one more.
All right, put the
Okay.
pen in there. What Mama say? She wants to see. Right through the hole.
Here.
Yep.
That.
Push it.
Just like that.
Yep. You got
Okay,
it.
here's your 3 more. Do all 4 wheels.
That's real hard though.
It's not hard.
Yeah, that's fine. Go to the other wheel and push them in.
You want Dada to do it or you?
I said it though.
Even if it's hard?
That's real hard for you.
It's a little hard for you?
No, it's real hard for you.
Oh, for me. Okay. Okay, it's a little hard for me. Okay.
Okay.
This side.
See if it'll go. Hold on, that right there's not on there good.
Yep.
What you think? Now we go. There you go.
Still won't.
Yeah, push it up in there. You got it.
I pushed this right here so I can get in.
Yeah, you
Okay.
did.
Next.
Let's see.
Let me hold this. Yeah. Is it hard? Click it, Gus. Click it. Click it this side.
You do it for me. Yeah.
Those are kind of tough.
Okay, other side, Gus. Very fast.
Did you get it on there?
Yeah, he did it. That's turn the other way. Uh-oh. Dada win again.
Now win again. Look at
Dada win again.
it.
Nice towel.
Now what are you doing?
To put the pin.
Is that for the steering wheel?
The steering wheel's not on yet.
Yeah, but that makes it steer though. All right,
Okay.
Let me bend that back.
Okay.
Now we're done with the wheels
Yep.
and we're gonna flip it over.
Well, whatever.
See if you can't put all this together. I think you can.
I can. Here, what else? Oh.
No, let's plug the bottom in first.
Oh, also press some.
Yeah, plug
See
it.
if you can plug that into this. Just hold both wires. Yeah, there you go. See if you can plug that in.
You did? Yep. Okay.
All right, let me one way. Let me see something. Let me look into something.
He was right.
Oh, don't turn it. Push it, push down. No, don't turn it.
Push it.
Push it down. Come on, just keep doing it. No, like push it, bump it down like you do. Keep on. All right, now see if it's locked on there. See if you can pull it back off.
It's locked.
Okay. Okay, next.
Next, this one.
Where is that?
Let's go this way.
No, other way.
This way.
Yep.
That's how it is.
Okay.
Push it down. There you go.
Okay.
I didn't
Undo
say.
your seatbelt.
Under the seat belt. That is under the seat.
Yeah, do it. And down that.
What is that? Mirrors?
It's Jeep mirrors.
Okay. This side. This. How about that? What's that? Where can you put that? Where do you think?
Right here.
That's where it
Yep. Is it the other way or yeah?
Do it one at a time.
No, it won't fit.
It'll fit.
Push
There
it. Yep.
That's loud.
It's loud.
Okay.
Okay, now where's the big one go?
Big one goes here.
Okay. Okay, next, Cruz. Now it's done. Look at that. It's lifted. Yep. Seat belt and then. Woo! You like that sound?
Look at the dash.
Yeah.
How bright the dash is. It's got a
Look at
radio.
this lights right here. Look! How bright that lights. Look at the lights. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try it, Chris.
It's even got tail lights, look. In the back, Chris. Is that sharp?
Yep.
What about the step in the back? Got a step in the back too.
Let me show you some. This
What?
right here turns the front light going off.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, me. I like
Try it.
that. I like that. Get springs too. You see that?
What?
Look through. What?
Let me show you. No, I'll show
Yep.
Don't sit on it. Just push down on
Yep.
it. Spring in the front.
Okay, try it, Chris. Drive it.
Let's see what it does.
Whoop. You like that sound?
you. It goes too fast.
Let's drive it. See what it does. Let's shut off.
Yep. What's that?
Got a home?
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna see if we go outside with it?
Hold on. Put your jacket, Cruz.
Let's see if it's
What?
It also made a sound.
Yep. Where's that? Where?
Right here.
Oh, the radio. Yep. Go.
pretty fast.
Yeah.
Look at there. It's a lot.
Look at the lights.
Cute, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
That's sharp, bro.
Yeah, it is.
And the radio work?
It's nice. You like that?
That's sharp.
Yep. Say bye.
Real sharp.
Bye-bye.
Bye. What's wrong with your truck? Hmm? What are you fixing? What are you fixing there? The what? Cup holder.